What a parent is! Being a parent is being there through the tantrums, the milestones, and the tears. Being a parent means that you love that little person which you created more than you could ever love yourself or anybody else. You would readily lose sleep to comfort them from their nightmares. You would risk your own life for that small person. You'd surely die to save them if you needed to. Being a parent is never a burden. It's loving somebody else wholeheartedly and unconditionally forever. Being a parent to your child is not easy. It's a privilege. Cherish it. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. 3 small words, so much to add, for all the love and your support. A million words would be too short. The words I love you seems too few to express the love I have for you. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Thank you. Thank you.
Parental love enhances the well-being and development of children. As such, love would be all that is nurturing and supportive of the evolution of a child's unique personality. Parental love induces genuine expressions of warmth, a smile or friendly look that conveys empathy and good humor, physical affection, respectful, considerate treatment, and tenderness. We all are good friends for our children. We have better understanding with our children. Is that true? Do the children think the same way? Ask yourself, are you a good parent? It's high time for all of us, so let's find out.
Mama, Mama! Mama, Mama! My breakfast! What? You haven't had your breakfast yet? Your school bus will be here any time. Mama didn't wake me up, Daddy. I got a plate. Sanvi, don't play with the ball here. Smita, why didn't you wake her up early? Now she will be late and teacher will call me. I didn't wake her up. Is this my mistake? You know, I had to finish my morning routine. She takes 20 minutes for just getting down from her bed, 10 minutes for brushing, and you know, 20 minutes for bathing. Hey, are you listening to us? Stop playing with the kitten. From where you get this? Look at this kitchen, Ma. It doesn't have a toothbrush and no need to bath and no school too. How happy my kitchen is. Go wash your hands before eating your breakfast. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh! This idli! The same old idli every day. मैं खाऊंगी. This is not real, madam. I just made it. Do you know how much time it takes to prepare that one idli? Do you or your father help me in the kitchen? Oh, I'm the target now. It is all because of you. Sanvi, hold the glass of milk properly. You will spill milk all over. Stop it now. I won't do any more cleaning work now. Always complain. Complaints and complaints. You know, my teacher says you have to say 5 Wear your shoes properly. Take your bag and go to school. Bye. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Yes? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yes. Yes. Look, her icon. She has left here. Oh, this girl is taking us to hell. I'm going to school. दरवाजा बंद कर देना. Oh, something is burning in the kitchen. Oh, दूध चढ़ा के आई थी.
After the school.
Sanvi, keep it nicely back. Mama! Mama! What happened? Come here. Why are you always busy with your mobile? I have to finish my school work. 1 minute. Show me what is this. Do it. Ask your dad. No? Yes. Daddy, Mama is busy. I have to finish my school work. I'm watching news. Ask your Mama. Mama and Daddy, they're always busy with their mobile. Okay, okay. I will also play with my tab. Mama, Mama, I am hungry. Please order pizza. Take my phone and order it. Whatever you want, order it, okay? Pizza. Hello, Domino's. I want chicken cheese pizza and 1 cup. Thank you. Daddy, Daddy, I want PlayStation. Okay, okay, I will buy that for you. Thank you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Ding dong.
Sanvi, please open the door. Sanvi, please open the door. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Madam, this is a pizza. This is a bill. 700 rupees. Pizza. Mama, please give it to me 700 rupees. 700 rupees for pizza. Oh my God. Take. Uncle, this is a money. Thank you, beta. Sanvi, now tuition teacher will come, so get ready, okay? Okay, Mama. Sanvi, please open the door.
Ding dong.
Sanvi, please open the door.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Sanvi, please open the door. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Where's your phone? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, yes, yes. Sir, please, sir. 1 minute. Yes, yes. Okay. Sir, please, sir. Show me. Yes, yes. The cat is sitting on the table. Right. The cat is sitting on the table. What is the spelling of the table? T-A-B-L-E table. Very good, right? Okay.
Sir, keep the mobile on the table. मैं आपको इसके लिए पैसे देती हूँ ना?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Stop. Please stop. Show me. This is the homework करके रखना. Now it's time to go and go. Okay, sir. Bye.
In the evening, when children are playing in the playground,
Hi, Akriti. Come, let's play. Roses, pocket full of roses. Haisha, where fall down. चलो वो खेलते हैं. Hi, Sanvi.
Hi, friends. Hey, Sanvi. Would you like to play a new game with us?
Don't talk to me like that. I'm not in a mood to talk to my mom and my dad. Are you in bad mood? Did you fight with them? I never fight with anyone. They're always after me. Same in my house. Every morning and evening, the same old dialogues. Don't watch TV. Don't play with your friends. Do your homework. Nothing new. Every day the same old story. Don't do this, don't do that. Blah, blah, blah.
What happened, Sanvi? Hey, do you not well?
Eldest things for us. This is not for you. Behave yourself.
The old beach cleaners. I do not the way they behave with us.
क्या हो गया? मामा से
Hey, I have an idea.
What? My mother is what? She punished me. No TV for 15 days.
What? No TV for 15 days?
Oh my God!
Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Hey, Sanvi, I have a magic solution.
Yes, we should make rules for our parents. If they can behave like children, then we can buy like their parents. Come, friends, let's go.
next day, when they are sitting there,
Daddy, come, let's play.
बड़े लोग नहीं खेलते जाओ.
Daddy, Mama, please play. No play. Please, no. Mama and Daddy, they're not giving me enough attention. I'm always sitting. They are bored. Hello? Yes. Okay? Yes. Okay. Smita, where is Sanvi? Sanvi, she of you. You never take care of her. Why you always blame me? You are also equally responsible. Oh, where is she? Sanvi? 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 किसी को कॉल करिए. Sanvi? Hello, Aradha. Is she with you? No, not here. Where is she? Look, she is here. Come here. Oh, what? Come here. Oh, whatever you doing inside? Chuchupiti, stupid girl. What is this? Why were you there, stupid girl? Mama and Daddy. Because you both always fight with each other. And I am the reason behind it. But I am sorry. I will never do this again. The magic solution is nothing for us. I overheard your conversation, beta, and I realized how you children feel about your parents. And I will share with other parents. And we have decided to play along with you. Surely, we will give you quality time to you. Sorry, beta. Beta, I know you felt bad, but I promise you that I will also give my quality time with you. Love you, मेरा बच्चा. Love you, Mama. Love you, Daddy.
Love is sweet, love is kind. Love comes from a family of mine.
We're big, we're small, we're young, and we're old. We're all different people living together with love. We laugh, we play, we learn every day. We're all different people living together with love. Together with love, and we are a family, living, playing together. Together, we are a family. Wherever we may go, we are a family. I can feel our love grow. I can feel love grow. We hug, we care, we help, and we share. We're all different people living together with love. Together with love, we sing, we hope, we dream, and we grow. We're all different people living together with love. Together with love, and we are a family, living, working together. Together, we are a family. Wherever we may go, we are a family. I can feel our love grow. I can feel love grow.
the spicy flavor of Gujarat. Thank you.
મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जिए तारी बात सोगड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जिए तारी बात सोगड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात रे छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात सोगड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात सोगड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेद जुए तारी बात रे
सबसे प्रथम मैं आप सबों के साथ मदर मेरी वार्ड हमारी संस्थापिका का नमन करना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने 400 वर्ष पहले सन 1609 ईस्वी में हमारी संस्था की नींव डाली। मदर मेरी वार्ड का जन्म सन 1585 ईस्वी में इंग्लैंड के यॉर्कशायर के एक राजकीय श्रेणी के परिवार में हुआ। मेरी का मन बचपन से ही अलौकिक गुणों से संपन्न था। यही कारण है मेरी जब बड़ी हुई तब उन्होंने सारा जीवन गरीबों के लिए न्यौछावर किया, विशेषकर नारी शिक्षा को बढ़ावा दिया। मेरी वार्ड ने उस समय की बालिकाओं के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए विशेष रूप से उनकी मानसिकता एवं शैक्षिक उत्थान पर बल दिया। प्रस्तुत है उनके बचपन की कुछ झलकियाँ। मेरी वार्ड का बचपन मलविद गृह में। जब वे करीब 1 साल की हुई तो उन्हें कुछ भी बोलना नहीं आया था। एक दिन वे अचानक गिर पड़ी और उन्हें गहरी चोट लगी। यह देख उनकी प्यारी माँ अवाक रह गईं। वे दुखी होकर दौड़ी तथा कातर स्वर में कहा, हे यीशु, मेरी नन्ही सी बच्ची की रक्षा करना। और मेरी उसी क्षण उठ बैठी जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही न था। उन्होंने चारों ओर नज़र दौड़ाया। उसी समय उनके होठों से प्रथम शब्द यीशु का नाम निकला, यीशु। उनकी माता बहुत खुश थी क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरी को पहली बार बोलते जो सुना था। वे अपने माता पिता से बहुत प्यार करती थी। जब भी उनके पापा यात्रा से लौटते तो उन्हें घर में देखकर मेरी को अपार खुशी होती थी। उनके पापा घर में प्रवेश करते ही उन्हें बाहों में भर लेते थे। वे अपनी दादी माँ से भी बहुत प्यार करती थी। वे बहुत ही सरल स्वभाव की महिला थी। उन्होंने मेरी को सरलता से प्रार्थना करना, बड़ों का आदर करना तथा सही तथा गलत में फ़र्क करना सिखाया। जब मेरी करीब 5 साल की हुई तो उनका सारा समय मौज मस्ती में ही बीतता था और उनकी कोशिश रहती थी वे सबको खुश रख सकें। वे अपने व्यवहार से किसी को भी दुखी नहीं करना चाहती थी, परंतु कभी कभी उनसे छोटी मोटी गलतियां हो ही जाती थी और उन गलतियों के लिए वे तुरंत क्षमा मांग लेती थी। उनके घर में किसी को भी झूठी शपथ लेने की अनुमति नहीं थी। वे एक अपनी सहेली के साथ खेला करती थी।
चलो खेलते हैं। ये तुम लो और वो मुझे दे दो। देखो इसका हाथ कितना प्यारा है। देखो इसका बाल कितना सुंदर है। देखो इसके कान कितने प्यारे हैं। मेरे पापा गुड़िया लाए हैं। मेरे भी पापा बहुत गुड़िया लाते हैं। चलो ये वाला खेलते हैं। 1 2 3 4।
कभी कभी खेल के दौरान उनके बीच झगड़े भी हुआ करते थे। तब उनकी प्यारी माँ तथा दादी माँ उन दोनों के बीच समझौता कराती थी।
अच्छी बच्ची हो ना, ऐसे झगड़ा क्यों करती हो? अच्छा से खेलो। अच्छी बच्ची हो ना, झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए, अच्छे से खेलना।
उन्हें याद है कि उनकी माँ तथा दादी माँ के जाने के बाद उनकी सहेली ने उन्हें कुछ अपशब्द कहे।
शैतान कहेगी।
उस वक्त पापा उसे सुन नहीं पाए, पर जब मेरी ने बिना सोचे समझे उसे दोहराया तो पापा आपे से बाहर हो गए और उन्होंने मेरी को बहुत फटकारा। मेरी ने कभी उन्हें इतना नाराज होते हुए नहीं देखा था।
ऐसे कोई बोलता है? चलो इधर।
उन्होंने और भी कहा,
जानती हो, जो लोग दुखी रहते हैं वही इन अपशब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। यही अच्छा होता कि हमारा समाज कुछ अच्छे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करता ताकि वे हमारे लिए वरदान साबित होते। सॉरी पापा। चलो सॉरी कहो। सॉरी। चलो सॉरी कहो मेरी। सॉरी। चलो।
मेरी ने अपने प्रिय पिता से ज़रूरतमंदों से प्यार करना सीखा। उनके पापा बड़े ही उदार हृदय के व्यक्ति थे। सप्ताह के अंत में वे अनेक ज़रूरतमंदों के बीच भोजन का वितरण करते थे। वे मेरी को बांटने के लिए कुछ सिक्के भी दिया करते थे। छोटी होने के बावजूद भी मेरी को पता था कि लोगों की सेवा करना ही ईश्वर की सेवा करना है। उन्हें लगता था मानो सारी दुनिया उन्हें देखकर मुस्कुरा रही है और मानो उनकी ज़िंदगी चांदी के पर लगाकर उड़ रही है। वे सदा यीशु के समान बनना चाहें, क्योंकि उन्होंने सारी मानव जाति को समान नज़रों से देखा। वे सभी से प्रेम करते हैं। अपनी ईश्वरीय शक्ति के सहारे उन्होंने न तो किसी को हराया, न ही किसी को नीचा दिखाया और न ही किसी को श्रापित किया। ईश्वर सिर्फ प्रेममय है और उनके आशीष की छत्र छाया हमारे ऊपर बनी है। प्रभु यीशु ने हमें प्रेम, दया, एकता तथा करुणा में विश्वास करना सिखाया। आइए हम सब उनके बताए राह पर चलने का प्रण करें तथा घृणा, द्वेष तथा ऊंच नीच के भेदभाव को खत्म कर एक सुंदर शांतिमय विश्व का निर्माण करें।
हे मेरी वाण, हमारी प्रियतम, हमारी प्रियतम, शत शत तुझे प्रणाम, हमारा शत शत तुझे प्रणाम। हे मेरी वाण, हे मेरी वाण,
I welcome our honorable chief guest to please come on the stage and enlighten our minds with a few words. Thank you.
Respected Sister Kiran CJ, Provincial of CJ Congregation, Sister Justina CJ, the Manager, Sister Josephine SJC, Principal, Sister Sarita, Headmistress, Fathers, Sisters, Parents, Teachers, Staff Members, and my dear students. Namaskar and very good afternoon to all of you. Today is a very special and memorable occasion that I will remember for years. It is an honor to be surrounded by so many little angels. I feel blessed to be part of this wonderful annual cultural function. I take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of the principal, headmistress, and the teachers who trained and took out such amazing performances from these little tiny tots. Your hard work brings the best in the children. You unfolded their hidden talents and creativity. Dear teachers, undoubtedly your sense of commitment, continued services, immense patience, and responsibility play a key role in their growth. I salute you all. I also appreciate the contribution of the management and the non-teaching staff members. Without their support and cooperation, it would not be possible to organize an event of such scale. Now the children, I could not see the children here, but I would like to address them. May the parents can share it with them. My dear children, you are world's most valuable resource and the best hope for the future. You are the building blocks of a strong nation. The school and its manifold activities revolved around you. You are the center of everything. Your cuteness, frankness, innocence, discipline, and above all, uniqueness decorate this great institution. Dear students, you have proved that this wonderful annual function is not by luck. It is your hard work and the desire to attain perfection that make this occasion so vibrant and colorful. My best wishes and blessings to you all. Now, I would like to share a small real story of a brave girl with my dear students. You might have heard about Mother Teresa, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and Malala Yousafzai. They are great personalities. But I would like to know how many of you have heard about Arunima Sinha. Have any of you heard about Arunima Sinha? May I ask the parents? Arunima is a brave girl, brave young girl. Arunima is an Indian mountain climber and a sports person. She is a 7-time Indian volleyball player. She scaled Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, on 21st May 2013. Does that make her special? Not much. Because there are hundreds of people who scaled Mount Everest till this day. So what makes her so special? Because she is the world's first lady amputee to scale Mount Everest, all peaks, highest peaks in the 7 continents, including that in the Antarctica. Her story, or this is actually the reality, goes like this. She was pushed out of a train and the train was running by some robbers in 12th of April 2011, while she was traveling from Lucknow to Delhi to appear for examination for some defense services. In the train, the robbers tried to rob her of her box and the gold chain she was wearing. They could not because she was a sports person. She resisted and it continued. Finally, the robbers threw her off from the running train. Immediately when she fell on the railway track, another train on the parallel track crushed her left leg below the knee. She was lying between the railway tracks for 7 hours. Nobody came to rescue her. 49 trains passed through the 2 tracks during that period. Some local people located her in the morning. She was rushed to a hospital with serious leg and pelvic injuries. She has multiple fractures in her spinal column too. In the hospital, the doctors amputated her left leg and put rods in her right leg, and also in the spine some operations were done. You can think of a child. She was a sports person and she met with such incident. Anyone at her place would have complained about her destiny and sat idle at home. But Arunima did not lose her heart. She took a resolve to climb the highest peak of the world, that is Mount Everest. And you will be appreciating that within a period of only 25 months, 1 month over 2 years, she achieved that success. The accident occurred on 12th April 2011, and on 11th May 2013 at 10:55 p.m. she was on top of the world, that is on the Mount Everest. How? It was because of her sheer strength of mind, her passion, her planning, her practice, and the insistence to win. So the lesson is, what we think of our body, it works that way. The body is important, of course, but our mind is more important and stronger. So we have to think big, my dear children, and in everybody's life, at some stage, something unpleasant happens. We have to overcome that. We have to take resolve to overcome that and be successful in the future. After scaling the Everest, Arunima was honored with cash prizes by Indian Sports Ministry, Indian Railways, Uttar Pradesh, the then Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav. She was awarded Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award of India, in 2015. She was awarded Tenzing Norgay highest mountaineering award in India, same as the Arjuna Award. She wrote a book, Born Again on the Mountain, and the book was launched by no other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, in December 2014. So often we complain about the height, the color of the skin, rich, poor, and other things which does not matter at all. My dear children, you have got the chance for education, and I think that education and the strength of mind is the most important thing in the world, because it empowers you and you can pursue your dream. Whatever you dream, you can achieve that through your willpower. It can change a person, a family, a society, a nation, and the whole world. As Malala Yousafzai has written, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. So all the teachers and the management committee, they are really working hard for the students. You have presented a wonderful function. I appreciate you all. I thank you all for inviting me to this program. Now the last one is for the parents. And I think the children should think themselves very fortunate that they got a chance to study in this school. When I look back at my childhood, I think I was very fortunate, not for getting or inherited a big house, a big car, gold and diamonds, but for the environment at my home, which was very peaceful, so that I think without a peaceful environment in the house, no child can concentrate to pursue his or her dream. So I will request the parents to provide a peaceful environment in the household so that your child can grow as she wants. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor Dolly Sinha, for your encouraging and inspiring words. Please give a standing ovation. Thank you for igniting our mind and soul.
भाषा, जाति और धर्म संबंधी भेदों से परे अहिंसा के पुजारी एक महात्मा जिन्होंने विश्व को शांति का संदेश दिया।
हमारे राष्ट्रपिता मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, जिन्हें पूरा विश्व बापू के नाम से जानता है, कि 150वीं जयंती पर हम उन्हें भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। उनके आदर्श सिद्धांतों का हम आज भी अनुकरण करते हैं और करते रहेंगे।
One heart, one soul, one country, India, our unique country with several diversities, languages and traditions. Yet we all are one, from east to west, from north to south, we all are Indians. Let us bear tribute to this wonderful country of ours. Hamara Desh, Hamari Shan. Hope this patriotic song stirs each one of you. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसी तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। Thank you.
यहाँ
I invite our headmistress, Sister Sarita CJ, to please come on the stage for Thanksgiving. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dolly Sinha, Pro Vice Chancellor of Patna University, Sister Kiran CJ, our Provincial Superior, fathers, sisters, well-wishers, parents, teachers, and my dear children. Gratitude is the language of the heart. Here comes the time to express my gratitude to each and all. First and foremost, we raise our hearts in gratitude and thank the Almighty, the Creator, for blessing us all with this wonderful evening. My sincere thanks go to Professor Dr. Dolly Sinha, Pro Vice Chancellor of Patna University, for being kind enough to accept our invitation amidst your busy schedule. We are really encouraged by your gracious presence and your inspiring message, ma'am. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, ma'am. With immense pleasure, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, dear Sister Kiran CJ, our Provincial Superior, for blessing this occasion with your valuable presence. Your presence really has added color to the day. I thank all the Reverend Fathers, Sisters from various institutions for encouraging us by your valuable presence and love. I extend my sincere thanks to the parents and well-wishers for being very cooperative and helpful in making this day a joyful one for all of us. It is because of your collaboration that we were able to put up this program in this campus in spite of limited space. In this regard, I would like to personally thank Mr. Alanka decorators and the team for the seeing to the setting up of the stage and providing us with comfortable sitting arrangements. One has to be very appreciative of the patience, hard work, and tireless efforts of our teachers. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling months ago. With planning, we have been fortunate enough to be backed by the team of a motivated and dedicated Sister Rashmi and the teachers in our Merriward family. May God reward you for your sincere effort, dear teachers and the Sister Rashmi. Give a clap to them, please. I am grateful to Mr. Sumit, Martha, Tara, and Joseph for their full support and cooperation, and Prakash Electronics for sound and light. I thank Mr. Rohit and team for the videography, and finally to all of you, my dear little children, for your delightful display of talents. Congratulations for entertaining us with your wonderful performance. May God bless you all. Please give them loud claps so that they can hear. I conclude by saying a big thank you to each and every one of you for being with Merriward Kindergarten family. Thank you so much to each and every one of you.
Save water, the living source of all other living organisms on this earth. Save water, the lifeline of the ecosphere and the entire universe.
Save water for our survival and future. Save water, save our life. Save water, it's our planet's most precious resource.
Save water, save every drop and protect the lakes and rivers. Save water, it's our pride, duty and responsibility.
Save water, stop unnecessary splurge, flood or leak. Save water, use water efficiently. Come, join the hands, spread the message and pledge now and forever to save water. Thank you.
With this last performance, we are concluding the annual day function. We would like to thank you all once again for your gracious presence. You all have been an amazing audience. Kindly stand up for the national anthem. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जयाये भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जया हे जया हे जया हे जय 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 जया हे